Hey, good morning, Steel Academy, grades 9 through 11. It's Mr. Ball with you. It's March 30th, and just a quick reminder, email is nball@steelacademyedu.org. Quick announcements. Food pantry will remain open Tuesday, Thursday, 10 to 12. For the time being, we will actually come out to your car and drop it off for you. It's pretty cool. If you want to just pull up, give us a call. We'll be able to take care of you. Or if you want to knock, that's fine too. We've been doing our best to maintain social distancing to keep everyone nice and healthy. Also, outside of the school, there's a metal cabinet for your assignments. This is awesome because you can drop off your assignments whenever it's convenient for you. Also, in the future, there will be assignments in that cabinet for you. So you can come grab them from there. Last announcement before we move on to our photosynthesis review. Google Classroom. That's coming soon. Keep your ears and eyes open for that. You'll be able to join my Google Classroom. We're in the process of getting it set up and making it nice and user-friendly for you so you have access to everything you need on Google Classroom. You'll be able to have your own account and everything for Steel Academy, and it'll make turning in assignments, accessing things. You'll have word processing on there through Google Docs. It's cool software. Anyway, moving forward, we're doing a quick photosynthesis review today. So, photosynthesis. It's pretty basic when you break it down. We're taking this overview because you want to think of things in the simplest terms first when you're asked questions. So, in photosynthesis, what happens? You have water, carbon dioxide. I write it CO2, that's its chemical formula. But CO2 means carbon dioxide. And then sunlight all come together and they add up to the products. So, these are not the products. These are the products right here. So water, carbon dioxide, sunlight add up to the products of energy and oxygen. O2 is actually the chemical formula for oxygen. So that's pretty simple. That's the equation. So if you were to starve a plant of sunlight, so that's why it wouldn't be able to create energy or oxygen. That's why most plants have to be outside in the sun or getting some sort of light. All plants need water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. Now, if you're thinking, what about a cactus in the desert? A cactus is really, really neat because it actually has needles instead of leaves to prevent water from evaporating. That makes it a lot easier for it to retain its water. But it needs all three of these in some way, shape, or form. Other succulents, like the cactus, succulents is just a group of plants that doesn't need an actual ton of water. Typically, once every other week on average, or maybe once a month, and it's fine, but they actually die if you overwater them. Anyway, when we think of energy, I want you to think of ATP. ATP is very important. You'll get questions on this. Adenosine triphosphate is what it is, but we just call it ATP because that's a mouthful. ATP powers plants. ATP is where the energy from plants come from. It is the main source of power for plants. There are other ways, but ATP is the most important. In photosynthesis, we want to talk about chloroplasts and chlorophyll. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, which is typically that green pigment you see. And plants use that green pigment because it soaks up sunlight well. There are also other pigments it uses, but we typically see green and we think of green. So, chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, which help capture the sunlight to aid in photosynthesis. So that's your guys' lesson for today. As always, just want to say thank you. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.